What's good, man? How's the ride, man? Well, I don't know what happened to you. Type shit. Vamos type shit, agency type shit. Oh, none of you. Where you thought about the gang right here? Say, like my sugar right here, Maddie. My dog's right here, you're Twin Towers right here, Kyrie. Say. Well, yeah, look how beautiful this is. What?
Okay, that's a terribly rise up, guys.
Oh shit, I can see it. Look at that lion's head. That's so elite. Yo, you see it? You see it? You see it? It looks like lion's head too.
My love is got the body, ain't got it over me. My love is got the body.
Just finished up the pod with Serge right there. But do a little intro with where we are right now. One of the nicest B&B slash compound I've been in. It has the modern vibe with the house. You can see right here, this house, very modern vibes. But then you got like, you know, when you're inside, it feels like you're in the jungle for real. Like, you know, his bedroom here. We got the little slide going to this pond with some fishes. I seen some little fishies there, you know what I'm saying? Such a vibe, guys, such a vibe. By the way, you're gonna love this podcast. Talked about AI, talked about a lot of different things, you know, what to expect in 2025 in our space, what are the biggest entrepreneurs doing. But again, huge focus on AI. I'm all in on AI as well. We talked a little bit about Cape Town too. And just being in this fucking space, man, just beautiful, man. You can see again, like I said, the jungle vibes inside. You see how nice it is. Some lemons, I might have to go steal, you know what I'm saying? The village boy mentality, gotta go steal some lemons and eat them up. Apparently they're saying they saw like a whole flipping family of baboons in the morning. And let me tell you something, man. I don't fuck with baboons. Guys, after hours of hunting, we finally found one. Holy fuck, before we even look at the one right here. Are you seeing how big that one is? Pause. Anyways, freshly picked. Freshly picked lemon. Hopefully it's not rotten. Wow, very fresh. I've almost been here for 2 months now, and I haven't really recorded much. You know, I'm just recording some days in the life here and there, some fun things. But to be honest, still been working on my email business and my email consulting business. Now I can make this whole thing about this is why you need to work online, laptop lifestyle, all that. But honestly, I'll be honest with you guys, man. For me being here, I'll be honest, I am not as locked in as I know I can be. That's for the sheer fact that there is way more distractions here. I don't have a proper routine like I have back home. And another third bonus, this is for people that work like different time zones, is that difference in time zone changes your day-to-day routine and changes your whole lifestyle. Here, my days kind of start at 4 to 5 p.m. That's because that's 9 to 10 a.m. Eastern. You know, the type of person I am, I'm an early riser. I like to wake up, get things done in the morning and kind of go from there. But I'm kind of forced to sometimes delay my work till later on during the day. And it seems naturally my energy is drained. I am super blessed to have a remote job. I was even talking to a doctor yesterday and he was like, you know, I'm so jealous of you because I can't work remote. I'll be honest, like to lock in, you would want to be somewhere where you can stay consistent with the routine and somewhere where, you know, the routine that you have is aligned with the type of person that you are and it's just aligned with you, right? Again, I know me, I've done a lot of tests and just tried things to know that I like my mornings and I like to get things done first thing in the mornings. And, you know, I have that in Toronto, right? Where I wake up, drop my mom off, go to the gym, all that, get my work done. And evening time is more wind down where it's kind of been the opposite. So I had to kind of switch just to my natural workflow of things. You know, I was still able to, you know, maintain my business, but I would be lying if I said that, you know, being somewhere like here is going to help me scale my business. Now, there is a whole other side to it of me kind of thugging it out, being more disciplined and just creating this whole new routine. But again, like, you know, why would you want to run a marathon with ankle weights? And that's how I kind of see it. What I've learned from being here is that, you know, if I want to scale, if I want to be in a certain phase in my life, Cape Town's not the place to be so. But if it's like a vacation type vibe where I'm relaxing, but I'm still maintaining what I'm doing, I think it's fine. I think scale mode, real growth mode, it requires a very, you know, whole different environment than what I have here. I'm a little more open to distractions here, right? And it's funny because it's the exact same thing I said in my Don't Be a Digital Nomad video 6 years ago when I traveled from Bali. But I think I delivered the message in a very wrong way. I kind of just told people stop being a digital nomad. But yeah, I mean, that's just kind of how the work stuff has been here since I've been here, I would say. All right, guys, so I am back in Canada now. It was an amazing 2 months in Cape Town. Hope you saw, you know, how cool it was through all the clips that I shot. A lot of times I didn't really vlog. I just took a lot of videos from my Meta glasses. And overall, I would say like that trip was very transformational, very, very amazing being around just so many talented entrepreneurs, getting to meet different entrepreneurs from different spaces. Learning being around people is something you just can't explain. You can't, you know, study it. You can't read, listen to it. It's something you got to experience just being there. And I think being there made me think differently, made me think bigger. I'm so excited to go back. You know, I think next year is even going to be better. The place I was staying at, so amazing. So going to be back there next year. Going to be vlogging more next year as well. I know I didn't vlog as much. I didn't bring one of my vlog cameras, but next year I'm going to be vlogging so much more. But without further ado, I'm back in Toronto. So get ready for some amazing content, more podcasts. This year we're going all in. So let's get it.